how to trim videos on iPhone or iPad, quick and easy. If you've ever shot a video and wanted to trim off the beginning or end but didn't know how to do it on your iPhone or iPad, then you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim videos quickly and easily just using the built-in Photos app. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open the Photos app on your phone. Now find the video that you want to edit. Let's say this is the video that I want to trim. Now simply tap on the edit icon. Here you can see a filter or option called crop. You can simply find various options, but if you want to only trim the length of the video, what you can do is just adjust the trim handles like this. You can simply put however you want and how much you want. You can simply drag the left and right handles to adjust the start and end points of your video. You can move these handles to the exact frames where you want the video to start and end. After adjusting the trim handles, you can simply tap the play button and to preview your trimmed video and make sure it looks good like this. And once you're happy with your trim, tap on done in the top right corner and your video will be saved with the new trim. Here, as you can see, you can also save the whole video or save video as new clip. Simply choose whichever you want, and that's it. You've successfully trimmed your video on your iPhone or iPad using the Photos app. It's quick, easy, and don't require any third-party apps.